Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, March 31st, and this is my recap of the top yield videos from Friday. And on Friday, gold versus the dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold actually was closed on Friday, all commodities were, and we do have to remember tomorrow is a bank holiday for most places in the world. If you actually look, the UK, Europe, and really most places are on bank holiday tomorrow, but the US is not on holiday, and we do have PMI and we do have IMS manufacturing tomorrow in the New York session, so we could see some movement tomorrow afternoon. Now, the trend is definitely up, and I personally think we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the very high time frames, and I personally would be looking for longs. We did just break all-time highs again on gold, and really it could just keep on going up from here. Hopefully what happens is we get a decent little pullback, because if we do, that would make for a much better opportunity to go long for the continuation of the uptrend, which like I said, I think is a wave 3 of 3. And my overall target on like the weekly, which will take a long time to play out, is around $2,500, maybe even higher than that. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.